If you want to manage vibrations on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, what you can do is you can go to Settings, and then over here you can scroll down in order to find Sounds and Haptics. Most vibration settings are just called haptics in here. So for example, over here where we have ringtone and alerts, you can just choose if you want haptics or vibration for ringtones and alerts, whether they should be played all the time or during the silent mode or everywhere except the silent mode, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, if you go into any of these sound selections, such as the ringtone, for example, then at the top you can also adjust haptics or vibration for these sounds. So we can adjust vibration for ringtone, for text tone, and so on and so forth. There is also the keyboard feedback, which also has vibration over here that can be toggled. And we have system vibration in here as well. Besides that, we can also go back to settings and open accessibility. And then over here we can choose touch in order to find haptic touch. So this is the vibration that we feel when we touch and hold something on our screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.